You itchy? What are you itchy for? Let's do a puppy check. Ears. Ears. No, you're not going anywhere. Banjo, thanks. Good sniff the puppy. It's fine. Righto. Finished. Stop. Wait. Good. Wait. Cody, you come say hello? Cody, turn around. Oh, you're old. Alright. Jess, you want to come here? You come and say hello? Not really? It's Fox. You want to say hello? Not really? No. I see, you've got a happy tail. Lily, come around this way. What are you doing? Guarding, are you? He's jumping out. What a mischief you done, are you? No. Come around this way and you can say hello. Just there. Over there. Just there. Yeah. Love it. Say hello. Righto, thank you. Go play. Come in. Good. Alright. You look after the puppy. You settle. Lay down up there. Room. Yeah, Violet. Come over here. You're obsessed that much. Violet, over here. Wait. Gentle. You're obsessed about the puppy, are you? This isn't going to work. Righto. That video's done. Happy days. Oh, hang on. Show some body language. See your head. How you doing, puppy? I know you're sleepy. It's the best time. Okay. You know. Stop. Very good. I know. Milo. Wait. Sorry. That was a bit stressful. I forgot there was one there as well. My fault. That was my fault. Kisses. Thank you. You're a good puppy helper. You're all good puppy helpers. You're trying, but you're learning. You need to wait. Milo cookie. Now. We'll stop. Yeah. You're not down, puppy. Right. That action gets you to cookie now. You mind the puppy? Can you move over here a little bit? Just there, thank you. Stay there. That's better. Move your paws so the puppy doesn't bite your paws. Yeah, puppy. Use the teddy. Teddy. No, you've got your own teddies. That's the puppy's teddy at the moment. Yeah, you can have this if you want. You want to say hello, Sasha? Sash? I don't know where there's room for you to go. The puppy's asleep. Puppy's batteries ran out. You're still on the puppy's toy, are you? You got your own toy? Righto.